hodl the Bitcoin.
Hey everyone, Ben with BTC Sessions here. Just a quick unboxing video for you guys. A while back I did a video on the Coldlar wallet. This was the second edition of the Coldlar wallet. It came in a box like this with the fancy little slidey open thing here. Did a full walkthrough and yeah, it was pretty cool. I have just received recently the Coldlar 3, so we're going to take a look at the unboxing and see what comes with the new version of the Coldlar wallet. So here we go.
After these messages, we'll be right back.
Do you guys enjoy my content? If so, there's two easy things that you can do to make sure you always know when stuff comes out. Number one, of course, hit that subscribe button. Number two, hit that little bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that you make sure you turn on notifications every time I put out new content. Now, onto the video. All right, so the Coldlar Pro 3, we're just going to slide off the top here. Once we get into the box, you can see the device nice and shiny and new. Let's pop it out here. It's got some good weight to it. It's a pretty nice looking device actually. Okay, the side, there is a button on the right there. At the bottom, there's some speakers and a USB-C port. The back, we've got a camera, and down at the bottom, the Coldlar Pro 3 emblem. What else here? That thing at the bottom is actually a thumbprint scanner. Okay, let's keep going through this box here. Next up, let's see. We've got a little leather case for it and a wipe to clean the screen. Let's see. We can slide the device in there. Okay, so it looks like you push it down and that little tab gets pulled in. To release it, you just pull on the tab and it will release the device itself. That's nice to prevent nicks and scratches on the screen there. Up next, we have another little leather case here. I believe this is going to be the seed phrase, so let's just peel off this tape here and take a look. And yes, this is your seed password card. So there's two of them there, and they just fold open like so. And you can put them back in the case, I guess, for safekeeping. And finally, we have the USB to USB-C cord. It's nice material, so it doesn't look like it's going to fray or crack or anything. And that is pretty much it with the Coldlar wallet. Oh, and one more thing in this box here. You have what looks like a warranty card or a voucher for service if anything goes wrong, I believe. And then this is your instruction manual for the Coldlar. And that is it for the Coldlar wallet. Alright, so now that you've seen the unboxing, what do you think of the Coldlar 2 versus the Coldlar 3? Just out of the box, I will say that the new version feels a lot more substantial, a lot sturdier, and it's got smoother edges, so I kind of like the design of the new one a little bit more. This one's a little bit lighter, kind of sharper edges. I still like the design, but I'm excited to get into this one, see how it works, and make a full video on this. Now, you should see this full video on the Coldlar 3 wallet probably within 24 hours of me posting this unboxing, so keep your eyes open for that. And once I do have that up, it will be added into the links down below in the description of the video, so be sure to check back for that. I will see you guys next time on the BTC Sessions.